Hi guys, so we are using this medium to make a shout out to Surveyor Ishtaq Hossain, a senior consultant surveyor in Pakistan, for his support to our channel, and also to Ishola Joshua Oluwapelumi, a student of Federal University of Oye Ekiti in Ekiti State from Nigeria, as well as Emmanuel Mesoma, a student from Federal University of Technology, Owerri, Nigeria. Thank you guys for your support to this channel. We say a big thank you. Now guys, let's dive into today's tutorial. This video tutorial is all about restoring the menu bar, the ribbon, as well as the command line on AutoCAD. Peradventure it is removed by mistake or by other error factor in CAD. So as you can see, this is my AutoCAD and the ribbon is not there, as well as the menu bar above where the tools like the line 2, polyline 2 is being displayed to aid my workflow on AutoCAD. And below here my command line is also not there. So to restore all these, all you have to do first is to restore the command line. So if you want to restore your command line, if it was removed by mistake or it disappeared by other error factor, is to come to your keyboard and you click on Control, then you click on 9, that is Control plus 9, Control 9. So you are going to see the command line appearing back on your AutoCAD work environment. So the next thing I want to show you is to restore the menu bar. So for you to restore the menu bar, you can come on your AutoCAD work environment screen this way by typing menu bar. So when you type menu bar, you click on enter. So the next command is to click on 1 on your keyboard. So that simply means turning on your menu bar is 1. If you want to turn it off, it's 0. So I'm just going to click on 1 on my keyboard, then you click on enter. So you are going to see above here my menu bar has appeared. So above here is the menu bar. As you can see, the file, the view, the insert, and other tools. So this is just how to restore the menu bar. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you is how to restore the ribbons where your tools is displayed. So to restore the ribbon, you have to come to your work environment or to your command line, then you type ribbon. So when you type ribbon, you are going to see it ribbon above the first information, then you are going to see ribbon close. Okay, so you click on the first option, ribbon. So therefore you are going to see all your toolbars restored. Okay, this is your ribbon, it is restored, and you can actually start your plotting or other drawing on your AutoCAD without stress. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon on this channel to keep getting useful tutorial on CAD tips and guide freely. Thank you. See you again.